Chair whānau, kai now. Here we have a mutton bird, puha, potato and kumara.
Who likes mutton birds?
First boil for 30 minutes. Yep, looking good. Okay, now you're gonna scrub it. Scrub it like that, get all those thorny bits off. There you're looking at that. You don't want all those thorny bits there, so give it a good scrub. Yep, hold it. Peeling the kumara and the potato. Riwai and sweet potato.
Oh shucks, did you just boil the skin right off?
Just finished the first boil. Gonna repot it and boil it again. Have the second boil going. Koro poops on it. Koro poo. Yum.
What's that about?
So chuck the poo-ha in now, whānau. Chuck the poo-ha in. Yum. Poo-ha. Making dough, boys. Only 1 cup of flour, teaspoon of salt, and a bit of water. Here we have a whānau. We got the dough, boys, and you want to make sure that it doesn't drown. You just want it to sit inside the steam. We're nearly finished. And give that about another 20 minutes. And she should be good. Choice. Ko tatareri. Tatamutu. Ai mokopuna. Ia hau e tatari ana mo te kai, haere mo te rongoa Māori. Kia ora. Ana koia nei nā, ko te kawa me te taru. Yummy. Gotta have a couple of cones, whānau? Can't just have the one. Couple of cones and the puku will be ready. Get the munchies. Just check, see how they're looking. Fuck, they look choice. Look at my phone steaming up. It's all steamed. Oh, one more, I guess. Lucky 3, eh? Like the Trinity. Matua tama wairua. Have a read of this, whānau. Wisdom of the 4 Winds. Barry Brailsford. Great book, man. Comes with some tarot cards. This was gifted to me. Good book, have a read. Mutton bird's nearly ready. Well, whānaks, I just finished my last cone. I think the mutton bird is ready. Time to serve it up. And we have kumara and potatoes. Choice. Ah, this is gonna be yummy. And here goes our taster. Let's have a good taste of it. I'm just gonna cut it open. No salt required because I just had a taste. I'm gonna eat it now. Yummy. I'll show you how I dish it up soon. Nice. Now that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Yummy. Here at the McDonald's, this is better. Yum. Oh, just 5 seconds. Yep. That's it. Yummy. That was yum.
No, probably not.
You can take it away now. Thanks. The cook don't have to do the dishes. Ah, still not full. Gonna have a toast. The stove and knives are red and hot. Put more poo-ha in the pot. And we'll suck on those TTs tonight. Oh, the hell, well, hey!